following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. Multiple riots have occurred in and near downtown Atlanta. The cause is still under investigation. The riots started at around 10:45 p.m. The exact extent of the damage is not yet known. However, we have received multiple reports of windows shattered, doors broken off their hinges, and theft. Persons are to avoid downtown Atlanta until further notice. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. A massive brawl has broken out seemingly between Patriots and Falcons fans at NRG Stadium. This brawl has resulted in riots in the nearby Texas Medical Center around 2 miles away. This is a dangerous situation that can result in serious injury. Please avoid the medical district if possible. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Houston Police Department. We have more information on the brawl. A total of 3,500 people were involved in the fight. The National Guard has been called in to keep order. A total of 1,200 people were arrested, 900 in the fight, and 300 in the riots that followed. Atlanta seems to have a similar situation, with 500 people already being convicted for vandalism. Please stay tuned to local news for more information. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. We have more information on the riots. A total of 507 people were charged with vandalism, 23 people are injured, 7 seriously injured, and no fatalities have been reported. Downtown and Midtown Atlanta remains a very dangerous area. Please avoid it at all costs. Stay tuned for more information. Civil danger for Atlanta and all of Georgia. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The rioters have overthrown the Georgia State Capitol building. An army of over 3,000 strong has entered the Capitol building at approximately 11:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. All security forces in the Capitol have been overrun by the rioters. The governor has been kidnapped and is being held hostage currently. The U.S. military will be assisting the state of Georgia in this battle. Please stay away from downtown Atlanta. As for the rest of Georgia, please stay tuned for more information. Attention! 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 This is a national emergency. Important information will follow. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. It is with great regret that I inform you of the collapse of the United States. Just a few moments ago, an army of Falcons fans stormed the Capitol building in Washington, D.C. The president has been killed, and the U.S. has surrendered. The intentions of this new Falcon nation are unknown at this time. However, this may be the last official broadcast of the emergency alert system. It is unclear whether or not this new nation will adapt the same system or choose a new one. We wish all of you safety and good health. God bless the USA.